Every leather jacket begins with the selection of premium full-grain cowhide, the strongest and most durable part of the animal hide. Full-grain leather retains the complete original grain surface of the hide, providing maximum strength and developing the distinctive patina that makes each jacket unique over time. Conditioning determines the leather's hand feel, flexibility, and ability to develop the rich, aged character leather enthusiasts prize. The facility maintains a library of premium hides, each one selected for specific jacket styles and quality tiers. Different animal hides serve different jacket categories, each with unique characteristics of weight, softness, and durability. Specialized leather thread must resist UV degradation, moisture, and the constant flexing stress of jacket movement.
Quality lining fabric provides both comfort against the wearer's body and the smooth interior that allows easy arm insertion.
Leather quality testing ensures every hide meets the performance standards required for decades of hard wearing. The cutting department is where master craftsmen extract maximum usable area from each irregularly shaped hide. Leather cutting requires years of experience because, unlike fabric, each hide has unique shape, thickness variation.
A single leather jacket can contain over 30 individual cut leather pieces that must be precisely assembled.
Every exterior leather piece has a corresponding interior lining piece that must match precisely in dimension.
All components staged for assembly. Understanding grain variation is essential for placing each pattern piece on the part of the hide that provides the best combination of strength and aestheticness. Lambskin requires exceptionally gentle handling due to its extreme softness and delicacy. Motorcycle jackets require additional reinforcement pieces at shoulders, elbows, and back for rider protection.
Branding hardware transforms a well-made jacket into a recognized brand product.
Leather sewing requires specialized heavy-duty machines with walking feet that grip and advance the thick material without stretching or distorting. Pocket construction involves multiple sub-assemblies that must be completed before integration into the main body. Sleeve setting in leather is unforgiving. Unlike fabric, needle holes in leather are permanent and cannot be corrected. The collar frames the wearer's face and is the most scrutinized construction detail on a leather jacket. Lining installation is one of the final and most technically demanding operations.
Each piece of hardware must be set with exact force. Too little and it loosens. Too much and it damages the leather.
Inspection at the leather jacket level is intensely detailed due to the high value of each individual garment.
Motorcycle jackets integrate rigid armor in an ergonomic layout designed for riding posture comfort.
A wall of premium leather craftsmanship. finishing transforms a well-sewn jacket into a retail-ready premium product.
Steam pressing relaxes the stitching stress and sets the jacket into its intended three-dimensional silhouette.
Vintage treatments replicate decades of natural aging in a controlled factory process.
Hand-sewn labels indicate premium construction quality. Three-dimensional fit verification on a mannequin ensures the jacket hangs correctly on a human form. The final inspection is the most rigorous quality gate, evaluating everything from leather quality to stitch perfection. Touch verification detects seam irregularities that visual inspection alone might miss. Each jacket, individually protected in a premium garment bag, represents thousands of dollars of craft and material.
The inventory holds the complete seasonal collection.
International distribution serves premium fashion markets worldwide.
Distribution operates to serve luxury retail globally.
Premium packaging for premium products. Leather scraps are too valuable to waste and are recycled into belts, accessories, and small goods. Responsible leather sourcing ensures environmental and ethical compliance.
Each silhouette serves a different style aspiration. Safety-rated jackets serve professional and enthusiast riders.
The most iconic leather jacket silhouette in fashion history.
Color variety serves evolving fashion while honoring the classic. The lab ensures every jacket meets the durability standards expected of premium leather. Tear strength quantifies the leather's resistance to ripping under stress. Zipper durability testing ensures thousands of trouble-free open-close cycles.
Color fastness ensures the leather maintains its rich color throughout years of wear.
Water resistance treatment testing ensures the jacket protects against moderate rain.
Quality documentation for every production lot.
Innovation focuses on sustainable tanning alternatives to traditional chromium processes.
Production management coordinates the complex flow of premium materials through dozens of skilled workstations.
A dull blade drags and distorts leather, making blade maintenance a constant priority.
Complete production overview. Leather craft skills require years of apprenticeship to develop the tactile sensitivity needed for premium work. Continuous quality improvement drives the pursuit of perfection in every jacket. Design innovation keeps the brand's leather collection relevant to evolving fashion.
Leather selection determines the fundamental quality and character of every jacket produced.
The sample room bridges design concept and production reality.
Client approval of prototype quality sets the standard for mass production.
Sustainability in leather manufacturing focuses on responsible sourcing and maximum material utilization.
When darkness falls, the skilled hands of night shift leather workers continue their meticulous craft.
Night shift leather workers maintain the identical precision and care of daytime production.
Every rivet and snap gleams with quality.
Inside these workshops, animal hide becomes wearable art.
A clean workspace ensures no contamination of premium leather surfaces.
A procession of premium craftsmanship flows through the night.
The complete transformation from animal hide to fashion icon.
Every jacket treated with the respect its value demands.
The natural grain catching light, revealing the character only real leather provides. This facility transforms raw animal hide into one of fashion's most enduring and desired garments. The factory's purpose: creating a garment that instantly transforms the wearer's confidence and presence. Leather jackets serve both fashion and function, providing genuine protection for motorcyclists.
The same material transformed into entirely different style statements.
The factory transforms raw nature into refined fashion. a workshop of premium leather craftsmanship. The first jacket of the day, crafted with the same care as every other.
Every station cutting, stitching, finishing. The leather workshop at full capacity.
The leather jacket has been rock and roll's defining garment for 70 years.
From classic biker to modern fashion, the heritage of leather. The complete journey from raw hide to luxury garment in one frame.
Leather jackets are generational investments that improve with every year of shared life.
Synthetic alternatives serve consumers who prefer plant-based materials while desiring the leather aesthetic.
Aviator jackets with shearling lining serve the heritage military fashion market.
Conditioning transforms stiff, raw tanned hide into supple, wearable material.
Bespoke leather jackets represent the highest level of personalized craft.
Skilled craftspeople arriving for another day of premium garment creation. The complete expression of leather craft.
The leather jacket bridges factory craftsmanship and editorial fashion. The archive preserves the design evolution of leather outerwear.
Folders digitale. Hand-painted leather jackets transform fashion into wearable fine art.
The moisture levels are stabilizing right on target.
Yes, the biosolution seems effective at this concentration.
The tensile strength looks promising, very consistent.
Leather jackets transcend seasons and trends, becoming family heirlooms passed between generations. The craft of maximizing beauty from nature's imperfect canvas.
The eternal craft of leather at the day's golden transition. "500 jackets, each one a statement of craft and quality." Sunset on a workshop of timeless craft.
One jacket, animal hide, brass hardware, bonded thread, nature transformed into an icon of style and rebellion. The leather jacket, hide, craft, and heritage. Behind it, a magnificent workshop